Welcome back to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log into your MoneyGram account. For that, make sure you open one preferred browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search MoneyGram.com. You will be now lead to the official homepage of MoneyGram, and at the right side at the top, you can see two options, login or register. We will click on the option login. Now all you have to do is enter your email address. After that, you need to enter your password. In case if you want to be remembered for the next time you log into your MoneyGram account, you can simply click on this option which says remember my email address. After you are done providing your credential, you can simply click on login and you will be logged into your MoneyGram account. Now in case if you have forgotten your password, you can simply click on forgot password and they will be guiding you for the further step to get your account back. And in case if you don't have an account, you can simply click on sign up and they will be guiding you further to sign up for your MoneyGram account. And this is the simple step on how you can log into your MoneyGram account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.